Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to quiet mode on Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open Facebook official app and then click on the three line icon and click on settings, and here you will find this your time on Facebook option, so click on it. And now swipe to the right hand side, and here you will get schedule quiet mode option, so click on it and turn on quiet mode and select a time and click on apply. And now close the Facebook application and reopen Facebook, and here you can see I'm in quiet modes. And if you want to turn off the quiet mode, you can click on manage quiet mode and you can end quiet mode from here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.